Good day to all. Welcome to our instructional lecture on how to use your scientific calculator in computing for the Pearson product moment of correlation. So you could manually compute for the Pearson R or the Pearson product moment of correlation, and you could also use your calculator and other softwares just like Microsoft Excel. So in using your scientific calculator, please follow the steps that I will be discussing. Okay, so first you press on, and then you need to set first the mode or erase all the mode in your calculator. So we press shift and then mode. Mag-appear MCL, mode, and all. So press number 3 to delete all data and other important informations that you have entered in your calculator, because your calculator could also store some values or data that you have previously computed. Okay, so first you need also to set the mode of your calculator into linear regression. You press the mode to mag-appear COM, SD, and reg. Okay, so we select 3, which means regression. Mag-appear lin, log, and exp. We press lin, and that's your linear regression. Press 1 and press equal sign. So mag-appear na dito sa screen yung calculator. Nag-appear ang word na reg. Okay, nag-appear yung word na reg. Now let's also ensure that we need to delete all previous data. Although we have deleted already, but we want to ensure that all other data will be deleted. We press shift and then mode. We press SCL, and that means stat clear. SCL1 mag-appear doon sa inyong monitor, stat clear, and then press enter or equal sign. Okay, now ulitin ko na lang. Okay, so using the example provided in my lecture, let's enter the values. Okay, so comparing the scores in biostatistics and microbiology. So let's determine if there is a relationship between the scores in biostatistics and microbiology. So it is important that we need to know the important keys that shall be used in the computation. Okay, one of the important key here is this the comma sign, no, kapag prines mo mag-appear yun, and the M plus sign. Okay, the comma and the M plus. So yun yung mga important functions that we need to know in your scientific calculator. Okay, so let's enter now the values, your scores in biostatistics and microbiology. So these are the values, no, in my lecture. Nahulog. Okay. Okay, I think we are now ready to enter the values. Okay, so press the first row, yung mag-partners, no? Score student number 1, 78, 85, then press M plus. Okay, then continue pressing or continue entering all the scores of the students. 45, 48, M plus, 55, 65, M plus, 76, 73, M plus, 85, 87, M plus, 72, 77, M plus, 90, 83, M plus, 65, 74, M plus, 54, and 71, M plus, and the last score 63, comma 68 m plus. Okay? So 10 is that we have nag-appear dito ang 10. So 10 means 10 samples. So let's look first for the summation of x. We press shift. We press S sum. So mag-appear dito, we have the x square, the ex square or summation of x square, the summation of x, the n, summation of y square, summation of y, summation of ex. Okay, so we want to know first the value of ex or summation of x. We press 2 and press enter. Okay, so the total number or that sum of the scores in biostatistics is 683. Okay, how about in microbiology? So no need to enter this course, just use the special functions in your scientific calculator. So press shift and then sum. So the value of summation of y, hanapin natin yung summation of y. Just press this arrow to find, no? Andun yung y, so that's number 2. We press 2 and press enter. So the computed value is 731. Okay, now let's look for the summation of x and y. So no need to manually enter the values, just use again the special function of your scientific calculator. We press shift and then S sum or 1. Then let's find the summation of x and y. So summation of x and y andun. Okay, that's number 3. We press number 3 and then press enter. So the summation of x and y is 51,250. So next, let's look for the value of x squared. Again, we'll use the special function in your scientific calculator. We press shift S sum, then x squared, press 1, press enter or equal sign. So x squared, the summation of x squared is 48,529. How about for the summation of y squared? Okay, press shift S sum. Let's look for the summation of y squared. So andun, press 1, press enter. So the value is 54,611. Okay, so you could also directly compute for the Pearson product moment of correlation coefficient directly. Just press shift and then S sum. Press shift and then S bar. So just look for the symbol R and that corresponds to key number 3. Press 3 and then press enter. So andun na. So RXY or the computed Pearson product moment of correlation coefficient is 0.009959876 or this rounded or it could be rounded off as 0.89. Okay, I repeat, you could directly compute for the Pearson product moment correlation of coefficient. Just press shift and then S bar number 2. Just look for the symbol R. Press 3 and then press enter. 0.88, okay, or 0.89. So that's how to use your scientific calculator. So madali lang. Okay, so after computing or after computing the values, do not forget to enter or delete rather the entered data, because your scientific calculator will store all the data or all the figures and numbers that you have computed. So press shift and then mode, mag-appear SCL, mode, and all. So press 1, which means SCL, and that's stat clear. And press equal sign. So na-erase na. Okay, so na-erase na, na-delete na lahat yung mga informations, mga values, or mga data. We could now repeat again or we could now compute again for another set of values.